Many parents think that midbrain activation is all about blindfold reading. That's not true. Blindfold reading is just one small part of the midbrain activation. Blindfold reading, it is just an indication that midbrain and third eye is activated for the child. Once the midbrain gets activated, the concentration, memory, balancing our emotions will be automatically enhanced. Also, midbrain activation helps enhance our creativity, builds body mind coordination because most of the kids they have the book in front of them. The only problem is body mind coordination is missing. So parents, don't fall for myths. Midbrain activation, it's all about visualizing and activating both sides of the brain that will help enhance our concentration power. Please subscribe and follow more such information. Thank you.